Hello there! Today we're going to learn about some prepositions of place and questions with where. My parents live in the United States, but I live in Mexico City. I work at a school on Camellia Street, near my apartment. I'm at work every day at 9 a.m. My apartment is in a great neighborhood. There's a coffee house on the corner near my apartment, and there's a nice park in my neighborhood too. In my free time, I love going to concerts in the park. In, on, and at are prepositions of place. They tell us where something is. We use on before names of streets and in some special expressions. On Camellia Street. On the corner. We use in before names of cities and countries and in some special expressions. In the United States. In Mexico City. In the park. In my neighborhood. We use at with locations in a city. We also use it with work and school. At the gym. At the library. At work. At school. To ask questions about a place, we can use where is. Where is my school? It's on Camellia Street. We often contract where and is in speaking and informal writing. Where and is becomes where's. Where's my school? Do you remember? It's on Camellia Street in Mexico City.